Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am bringing you 5 delicious overnight oat recipes for a healthy, simple, quick and easy fall breakfast idea. These are delicious. Let me know if you try any of them, which one is your favorite. Do you like overnight oats? Have you tried overnight oats? They're a quick and easy thing you can make overnight or even a couple days ahead and have them just ready to go in the fridge for a quick and easy breakfast or even snack that you could just take on the go. If you try these, which one's your favorite? And also if you have any other fun flavor combination ideas, I would love to hear from you guys as well. So the first up on the list is a classic fall staple with pumpkin spice. So for the first one, we are going to use 1 cup of rolled oats along with 1 cup of milk. And then you're going to combine and add in there a 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1.5 teaspoons pumpkin pie spice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all up. Add a little cover on top or a piece of plastic wrap, and then pop this in the fridge and let it sit overnight to enjoy. If you want more flavor, you can taste this as you go and take a little taste to see if you want it to have more spices. And you can always go ahead and top it with a little bit of whipped cream and some more cinnamon and nutmeg on top. Moving on for the next one, we have apple cinnamon. So I think this one was actually Mike's favorite one. I honestly really enjoyed all of them. I think I have another apple one that's super tasty as well. I think this one with the spices in the apple cinnamon one is probably the strongest apple cinnamon flavor because we're going to incorporate a secret ingredient. So for this one, you will need 1 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of milk, and then go ahead and also combine in a 1/4 cup of diced apple, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Now for our secret ingredient, we're going to go ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds along with a 1/4 cup of apple cider. Again, cover it and pop it in the fridge overnight or for at least a few hours so the oats have a chance to absorb the liquid. And then whenever you're ready to go ahead and serve this, add on some little slices of apple and even some walnuts if you would like on top, and this is delicious. We are on to number 3, and for this one we are doing a maple pecan theme, which I think is just a super mild but just cozy, delicious fall flavor combination. For this one, I used about 3/4 of a cup of rolled oats, 3/4 of a cup of milk, and then also 2 tablespoons of chopped pecans. You can add more if you like, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I also recommend adding in a pinch of salt along with 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Basically, you want to do the amount that you would enjoy. If you want a stronger maple flavor, add 2. A fun topping for this one, along with maybe a little squirt of whipped cream if you enjoy, would be a stroop waffle. So Mike really likes these, and I thought this was a fun way to dress up the top, just to add one of these little caramel stroop waffles on top. And of course, don't forget to sprinkle some more chopped pecans on the top with a drizzle of maple syrup. This is delicious. And we are moving on to number 4 now for a salted caramel apple overnight oat recipe. And for this one, we are going to use 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of diced apple, 1 tablespoon of caramel sauce, along with a pinch of sea salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that all up, and don't forget, when you serve this one, top it off with a few slices of apple and a drizzle of that same caramel syrup. You can also add in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds along with a 1/4 cup of apple cider, or if you're not doing the chia seeds, another delicious option would be to swap out a portion of your milk for apple cider. This is fantastic. I highly recommend. Consider doing 1/2 cup milk, 1/2 cup apple cider. I think this one is a really fun fall favorite with the salted caramel mixed with the apple. It feels like a very cozy and decadent fall recipe. And if you are still watching, comment the word of the day, which is delicious. Moving on, we have banana nut bread overnight oats. For this one, I'm adding in 3/4 cup of oats, 1 cup of milk, a 1/2 of banana mashed, 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And for this one, the flavor is very mild. So I definitely would recommend adding some more fresh banana on top whenever you go to serve it. You may want a little drizzle of maple syrup, totally optional, but highly recommend another sprinkle of cinnamon on top just to bring it all together. So I hope these really simple, easy fall overnight oat recipes give you some fun inspiration for just breakfast ideas or brunch ideas, or really just an anytime snack idea for the autumn season. Let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know if you try any of these. And remember, you can always play around with your overnight oat recipes by pretty much combining equal parts oats and liquid, and then have fun with the other things. You can definitely, I put down 1 tablespoon of maple syrup for the majority of these, but definitely 2 will be totally fine, and you may enjoy that if you want it to be a little bit sweeter. But either way, I promise you it is delicious. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know which one is your favorite if you try these, and if you have any other fall flavor combination ideas, I'd love to hear from you. Leave that in the comments down below. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing before you go if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon with some new fall decor and more fall decorating videos. Thank you so much for being here. I'm wishing you a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you guys soon in a new video.